Okay, so I finished with VV4, the webinar. So now I will switch to the metrology project here. And on this project there is two equipment. One it's the LASM, and another one we see it's a surge generator. So these two equipment has been the first one has used measurement with VNA, it's metrology with VNA, and the second one has used metrology with scope. So I will only show the surge generator with metrology with scope. So we have here the equipment and all the tests conducted on the equipment. So we have the test number one, which is the configuration of the equipment. So the equipment, the surge generator has been configured in direct output 2 ohms open circuit and with this wave. And within this configuration, we have set different voltage to execute the calibration. So this is what we call step. And on each step, we add to conduct 5 measurements. This is the standard. So we have run 5 measurements using the oscilloscope. So on the oscilloscope, we have the peak output voltage, the rise time, the pulse width, and the undershoot. This is some parameters measured directly by the oscilloscope. So we get the data from the oscilloscope here, and we get the screenshots. We do it 5 times, and we calculate the average here. And after, TMC can select the proper conclusion for each measurement, depending of the measurement, obviously, and the limits here, and the uncertainties on the measurement. So that's all for this part. Can show the steps, a -1 for example. So we can see the screenshot is negative here. So measurements has been executed on few configuration. So this is the same way for other configuration of the test. And once the measurement is finished, so the goal of this module here is also to be able to generate a calibration certificate or calibration report. So to do that, I am using the new report system. So selecting new report version, I will select the report template here. So I will use this one, and I will create a calibration report surge, save. So we're generating the report. I want to visualize it, and so we have a calibration report with some information at the beginning, and after we have the summary of all tests with the conclusion for each voltages, and then we have more details on each measurement, so with the graph and the results. And what is important to show here, we have 62 pages. It's been generated in 5 seconds, and that's all for the metrology. So after we can ask for questions.